Before I start this video, do subscribe to my channel and click on that notification button. Thank you. What is up guys, we're back with another unboxing video, and today we're gonna unbox the PINENG Universal USB Backup Power. So this is basically a power bank, and I bought this on October 2017, and it's about 1.5 years, and it's going good still. And when I use this power bank, I can at least charge 2 to 3 times for my phone. And one thing I like about this power bank is that they give this special wire over here for you to charge. So with this, you don't have to bring an extra wire like this. And they also given us an adapter for your iPhone, so you can charge your iPhone too, and you can put it back if you don't want to use it. You can always put it back here, and if you're not using the power bank, you can just close it back. And if you want to see how it looks like with a normal cable, all you have to do is just put it inside here, and that's it. And how to know the status of the battery? So there is a light here. If it shows one light, means it's around 20%. So there's a total of 4 lights, and if it's 4 means it's full. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.